Hi guys, today I am doing a cooking video. It is enchilada pasta casserole. I promised this recipe a while ago and I forgot about it until now, so better late than never, right? Let's go ahead and get into the recipe. What you're going to need is some ground turkey burger or beef, some diced green chilies, black beans. I'm using this chunky salsa, but you can use any enchilada sauce or salsa if you wish, and a mix of spices. I am using this kind right here. I'm going to put these noodles in. The water was just boiling, so I'm going to add the noodles. If you're using a different brand, then go ahead and follow the directions on the box. Next, I'm going to put the ground turkey burger or beef, whatever you're using, into this pan right here. While this is cooking, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. Next, I'm going to add the spices and mix that around. Now I'm going to add my diced green chilies. Then I'm going to take this casserole dish and spray it with cooking oil. I'm going to add the noodles to the casserole dish. Then I'm going to take the salsa and put it in with the noodles. Then I'm going to add the black beans, and I rinsed and drained them, adding the meat. I'm going to add some cheese. If you like a lot of cheese, you can put some in first and then mix it in with the other stuff and then top it off with cheese as well. But since I can't have like a ton of cheese, I just put it on the top. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you liked it. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. If you guys want to shop some of the stuff that I use for cooking and that you see in my cooking videos, I have an Amazon affiliate link down below that you can shop. I have cooking stuff on there, beauty stuff, and also hair stuff. So if you want to check that out, then go ahead. It is affiliated, so I do make money off of any purchases. But if you're curious as to what I use, then you can go ahead and click the link and shop. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!